I earned $1,600 in 20 minutes as a musician doing this one thing. Now, artists are missing out on a lot of extra income just because they're not doing this. So I was performing at a show. They paid me about $1,000 for me to perform, and afterwards I sold merchandise. Well, guess how much I made in about 20 minutes selling merchandise after my show? $1,600. So I actually made more selling merchandise than I did just performing. So as a musician, you start thinking, how do I make more money by adding extra opportunities to sell something else to my audience? If I was just getting paid for performing, I would have walked home with $1,000. But because I was willing to sell t-shirts, sweaters, and yes, albums, people still buy albums, I was able to make another $1,600. Why do people still buy albums? Because they like to have something from artists. They want to have something autographed. Guys, I own vinyls that I never play. I don't even own a record player. I have a friend who still tours regularly, and sometimes I make thousands of dollars a night, every night, selling albums. Whatever it is that you choose to do, merchandise is an excellent way for you to make extra money, whether it is at your live shows or whether it's on your live streams, whether it's on your website. By selling merch, it's funny because I've actually seen interviews where bands have said we make more money off of just selling t-shirts than we actually do off of doing shows. Moral of the story, make sure to add merch to your business. For free tips and tricks on how to build your music career, check the description.